Calculate the mass of 60% H2SO4 required to decompose 50 grams of chalk. Chalk is nothing but calcium carbonate, CaCO3. So according to the equation, if I see, CaCO3 reacts with H2SO4 in 1:1 ratio to give CaSO4 plus H2O plus CO2. Now if you say this particular one, they are reacting in the ratio 1:1, meaning 1 mole pure CaCO3 reacts with 1 mole of pure H2SO4, meaning the mass of 1 mole of CaCO3 is 100 grams, reacts completely with 98 grams of pure H2SO4. Then if 50 grams are taken, then reacts completely with 49 grams of pure H2SO4. So it reacts with 49 grams of pure H2SO4. So in this particular place, if I am taking this particular concept in such a way, if I am assuming there is a reaction, if I am taking a condition like, if you have a pure sample, let us imagine all are H2SO4. This is all H2SO4. Each one is taken as H2SO4. Each H2SO4 can react. This is H2SO4. Even this is H2SO4. And even this is H2SO4. If I take this is the pure sample. So if this is the pure sample, which is going to react completely with CaCO3. If this is going to react completely with CaCO3, 4 samples of CaCO3. So each one is taken as CaCO3. So let me represent with some CaCO3. All are going to react and gives you corresponding products. If I have an impure sample, let us understand this way. If I have an impure sample, which is also having this way, where I will be taking in this particular one the impure sample. Here is the impure sample for each one. So let us take this is 50% pure. This particular sample is 50% pure and 50% impure. So if I am going with this particular concept, if I have another one, in this also what is happening, if I am taking this is also 50% pure. If I want the reaction to happen here, what will be the condition? If I take the reaction to happen, this is 50%, this is also 50% pure. If I want the chemical reaction to carry out, if I want the reaction to react with 4 CaCO3 molecules, I need to have 2 samples, at least 2 impure samples I need. 2 impure samples will satisfy the chemical reaction, because this will react, this will react, this will react, this will react with the samples of CaCO3, where this will not react, this will not react, this will not react, this will not react. So from the impure sample, chemically I can get 4 H2SO4 molecules by taking 2 times the 50% samples. 2 50% samples if I take, that will satisfy the same chemical reaction chemically what a pure sample does. So basing on this, if I take, I can take the reaction in such a way, the mass of the pure sample, which is 100%, is chemically equivalent to mass of impure sample, which is some X percentage impure. This is our formula. According to the question, mass of the pure sample is 49 grams. Mass of the pure sample 49 grams into 100% is chemically equivalent to, we need to find the W impure value, which is 60% pure. So what will be W impure will be equals to, W impure will be equals to 49 into 100 by 60, which will be equivalent to 81.67 grams. So what is the amount of impure sample that is required to carry out the reaction is 81.67 grams of impure sample is required.